Hello everyone, Mr. K here with a video. Today, we're going to talk about multiplying. And today we're going to use the lattice method to multiply. It's a different technique, but most kids like it. It helps them with structure and organization, and it makes it a little bit simpler for them to work out multi-digit numbers. So let's get started. For today, we're going to use 325 times 47. And we do have a calculator we're going to use to check our work as well once we're finished doing the work on paper. So our last method is basically numbers around a box. So we're going to give us a nice rectangle. And inside the rectangle, we're going to have some boxes drawn. Now, how do you determine how many boxes you need? Based on how many numbers you're multiplying. Since you're multiplying 3 digits by 2 digits, you'll need 6 boxes. 3 times 2 equals 6. So I'm going to create 6 boxes. All right, now that I got my 6 boxes, I'm going to divide each box into where it has its own separate triangle. Now, what we're going to do is each triangle will hold only one number as part of the products that you do for outside the box. So, and when I'm doing this, I always use different colors to make things stand out. So my problem I'm going to put in green. So up top, I got 325. I'm going to put it on my top row because I got 3 boxes on my top row. So 3, 2, 5. On the side, I'm going to put my 47, 4, 7. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my color again. And my answers to my products are going to go inside these triangles right here. Each triangle only gets one number. So for example, I'm going to multiply my top numbers by these numbers on the side as all individual numbers. I'm going to start with my 4. 4 times 5 is 20. So I'll put the 2 in this box, the 0 in this box. 4 times 2 is 8. Since 8 is a single digit number, I put a 0 up top. An 8 goes right here. And then 3 times 4 gives me 12. 1 here, 2 here. Now I'm finished multiplying with my 4. I'm going to cross it out because I don't need that 4 anymore. I don't want to be confusing to me later on when I go to add up my partial products. Now I'm going to go down to my 7. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. Now that I have all my triangles filled with numbers, I'm now going to add them together diagonally. So all the sections, this is section 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so now my answer is going to be in purple. This section only has a 5, so my 5 goes here. This section has, also I'm going to go ahead and mark through my 7 because I don't need it. Also now we're going to mark through my top factors because those are no longer needed either. So now I got 0 plus 3, which is 3, and 3 plus 4, which is 7. 2 plus 10, 2 plus 8 is 10. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. So I'll put my 2 here. Then I'll carry my 1 over to my next section, just like you would if you were doing standard. Now I got 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. And 3 plus 2 is 5. And then up here, I got the 1 by itself. Now, everything on this side is my answer. So I can say that 325 times 47 equals 15,275. Now, if I want to be sure and check my work, this is when I grab my calculator. Always make sure you turn it on. Then you want to clear your memory. You clear your memory by pressing your on and off button and your clear button at the same time. Once you see memory cleared, you then hit clear again, and now you can put your numbers in. So my original problem was 325 times 47, and that gave me 15,275, which is what we have right here, 15,275. So we can be assured that our answer is correct. All right, just for time's sake, let's do one more. All right, so once again, we're multiplying doing the lattice method. And we're going to do the problem 768 times 26. First things first, I draw my box. Once again, I'm multiplying 3 digits by 2 digits. So my rectangle should have 6 boxes in it. And also kids love to draw, love doing this method as well, because it gives them a chance to draw, even if it is just a regular rectangle. Now I create my triangles through all my boxes. And if it's not perfect, it is okay. We're not judging on your artwork, we're judging on if you can get the correct answer or not. All right, so now I'm going to write my factors, which is 768 and 26. 768, since it's 3 numbers, it's going to go across the top. 7, 6, 8, and 2, 6 is going to go on the side. Now we're going to multiply our top times our side as all single factors. And now we have 8 times 2 is 16. So 1 goes here, 6 goes in this triangle. 2 times 6 is 12. Once again, I'm going to 1 on top, 2 right here, and 2 times 7 is 14. Now we're going to cross that out 2 because we don't need it anymore. 8 times 6 is 48. 6 times 6 is 36. And 6 times 7 is 42. Now I'm going to cross through my 6 and my factors up top because they are no longer needed. So when I go to add up my columns, I don't get confused and add those as well. Now I add up my sections. All I have right here is an 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. So my 6 will go here. I carry my 1. 1 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. And 7 plus 2 is 9. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. And then I have this 1 by itself. So now I can say that 768 times 26 will give me 19,968. And if you're confused on where your comma goes, all you do is go to the very last number and you count 3, 1, 2, 3, and then that's where your comma goes. It goes every 3 numbers, start from the back, working your way up to the front. And also to check our work, always remember to make sure you clear your memory. And I multiply 768 times 26, and I get 19,968, the same thing as my answer on paper, so I can be sure my answer is correct. Hope this video was helpful. Hope you was able to learn something new. Hope you was able to hone in on your craft. All right, always thank you for watching,